a Cobb's angle from a scoliosis X-ray. When you have the X-ray, first things we have to do, we have to find the apex of the curve. So that apex could be by the vertebrae, which is most laterally shifted or laterally displaced away from the central line. So here, this is your apex, like your T9, T10. When you find out this one, then you have to find out the upper point of the vertebrae, and then we have to take our ruler and get to the top of each of the vertebrae until we find the most tilted vertebrae. And this is your T5, the opposite. And then same thing we have to do in the downward direction to see which vertebrae is most tilted, like above here. So this is the lower end of the vertebrae. We have to do the mark until the ruler down to the vertebrae. So after that, where it is gonna miss this area, or we can draw a midline like a 90-degree angle and above also. So sometimes this line don't intercept this way, so we can measure it this way. What you can do, you just take a ruler and put a 90-degree perpendicular to each of this line, draw a line up there, and now you have to measure this angle or this angle. Both are like the same thing. So here we measure it. So this is the midline. So if you're going to measure this with the ruler, it is like 35 degree over here. So this is the Cobb's angle.